another video. Today is Vlogmas Day 16. Y'all, I'd be so happy when Vlogmas is over. I will not lie to you. This is tough. This is tough every day, but your girl is pushing. I feel like I look. It is freezing. It is cold. And as anemic, that ain't fun. Okay? That ain't fun. I am eating a waffle right now. My husband made me a sweet potato waffle with no syrup. I had a bowl of honey nut checks. My hair is all over the place. I really don't care. I'm going to get into it in another video concerning my hair, but yeah, we're not going to get into that. But today I just got finished making dinner for my family. For tonight, they're having Rotel. My teenagers are going to Teen Talk at the church tonight, so they won't partake in that because they are having pizza. They're having the pizza party. Then they go on vacation until the holidays is over. Everybody is pretty much staying in their rooms today. They don't feel like doing nothing. Everybody just want to chill. They want to watch Christmas movies, watch TV. So that's fine with me. So I'm gonna take this day to plan. I need to plan my days for the rest of the week. I have a content day, and then it's going to be hectic because my husband have a few doctor's appointments this week, and he also has to have a procedure done. So yeah, I'm just going to be in my room chilling. I'm going to be planning. My OOTD is nothing but my brazen oversized sweater. I got on my, what you call these? My oversized pants, and that is just it. And I got my socks on because it's cold. And when I get up to walk into the living room or the kitchen, I put on my good old what are those? Slippers. So yeah, I am going to chill. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I don't even know what it's going to look like. But I just want to give you a video, okay? I want to give you a vlog. And I want to be consistent. So stay tuned.